Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on NIO just 4 days ago, to be precise on October 24th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here on pre-market hours, at $5.10 mark. And my main assumption was that we were scratching the crucial point. It is the bottom of previous wave. It is roughly $5 mark, and depending on the reaction out of this range, if the next couple of candles is closed above $5, in this case we have decent chances to land at $5.7 or $6 mark. It is these two ranges of retracement. Otherwise, if it breaks $5 mark, we might land much lower at 4.5 and even lower price points. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point, and we retested one more time the range of about $5, had a clear bounce out of this range, and on the next session this asset broke the first price target of $5.65, and it hit precisely the next range of resistance at about $6 mark. And guys, this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, for now there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you. And it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite a fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and let's take a look again on its price action. I have to say that this range of support for now holds pretty good, but we have a double bottom pattern, not in between the waves, but we have the double bottom pattern inside the wave. And technically it is not the best retracement, it is not the healthiest retracement for the fourth wave compared to the bottom of the third wave. That is why we are still not out of the woods. But in just a couple of minutes I will show you what bullish signs do we have and what should we rely on in order to see and in order to predict its potential next movement. So, and for now, let's take a look at its fundamentals. We have a new update, a new rating from one of analysts. Previously, we had 13 ratings and we had 8 analysts who suggest to buy. But for now, one more analyst made his prediction. It is a Macquarie expert firm. And here you can see that they upgraded the rating from neutral to outperform and set a price target at $6.6, which implies about 25.48% of upside potential. On top of that, the consensus analyst price target according to market beat is $6.11, which is not the best, which doesn't give us the best upside potential, and it gives us just 5.18%. And according to TipRanks, we have pretty much the same price target at $6.33 with an upside potential of less than 9%. And definitely we still have to be cautious because of several technical signs, but I will show you some details in just several minutes. Let me show you quite a bit of NIO news. And we have NIO insurance registrations for the week ending October 27th. And NIO registered and delivered 4.2 thousand vehicles. And I have to say that it is lower than 5.5 thousand vehicles that they have to register and deliver to their customers weekly in order to stay in line with their major target of 220,000 vehicles by the end of this year. Otherwise, if NIO cannot hold this line, in this case the major target for the end of this year will not be achieved. On top of that, I have to say that they are working to exceed their presence on the swap stations market, and for now NIO is pretty much the only company who has this type of technology. And I have to say that in the long-term perspective, this might be very beneficial for NIO, but it cannot be the short-term catalyst. And what is the short-term catalyst which give quite substantial spike to NIO's price? First of all, definitely it is Tesla's price action. As you can see, Tesla as the leader right after their earnings report spiked for more than 20%, 25% within just a couple of sessions. And the NIO is pretty much following and mimicking its price action as well. On top of that, if you take a look on the sentiment, if you type in Google search bar NIO Stock and switch to New Stock folder, you will see that we have several news that are pretty much bullish, and that some analysts are setting their price targets higher than the current price, and this also might be quite a good sign in the short-term perspective. But at the same time, guys, we have to be cautious, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me show you some bullish signs. One of the most important ones is the volume that is supporting this movement to the upside. If you compare, let's switch to 4 hours time frame. If you compare this volume with its movement to the downside right here, when it was an impulsive wave to the downside, we also have comparable volume. Then on the consolidation phase, we didn't have such high volume, and right here we have couple of waves with the highly increasing volume. On top of that, this movement to the upside is also supported by this quite substantial volume, and this means the trend might continue. But at the same time, guys, this fib retracement tool is still on the table, and we have the next couple of ranges of resistance at 0.5 and golden pocket range. It is the ranges 6.37 and ranging between $6.7 and $6.79 respectively. And if this asset breaks these two ranges as well, most likely we will retest its previous swing high at $7.75. Otherwise, guys, this bottom is still range of support, and if it breaks it, and for now I don't think that we might see this deep retracement that will break it, but in this short-term perspective I also think that we might have a slight pullback, and then we have to retest these two ranges of resistance. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you. Better go live it up, cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad.